Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix printer error 0x000003eb in Windows. If you are seeing messages like Windows can't connect to the printer or the printer couldn't be installed, then this video will help you solve the problem step by step. This method can work for Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows 8 and Windows 7, and it can help with both local printers and network printers. Let's get started. First, open the quick menu by right-clicking the Start button. From here, click on Run. In the Run box, type shell :printers folder and then click OK. This will open the printer's window. Find the printer that is causing the issue and remove it. Right-click on it, click on Delete, click on Yes. Now open Print Management. First, click on the Start menu and type Print Management. When Print Management appears, click on it to open. In the left panel, expand the username, Print Servers, then open Drivers. Here, find the printer driver related to the printer with the problem. Right-click it, click on Remove Driver Package, click on Delete, click on OK. If you get an access denied message while removing the driver package, don't worry. In many cases, that is normal. If the issue is happening with a network printer, then in Print Management, check the port section. Delete the port or IP port related to that printer. This step is very important if Windows keeps trying to use an old or broken printer connection. After removing the printer, drivers, and ports, restart your computer. Once your PC starts again, try installing or connecting the printer one more time. For many users, this is enough to fix error 0x000003eb, but if the problem is still there, try the advanced method. Click on the Start menu, type Service, and click on it. In the Services window, find Print Spooler. Double-click on it. If it is started, click Stop. Keep this window open or remember to start it again later. Now press Windows plus R again, type regedit and click on OK. If you are using 64-bit Windows, copy and paste this path into the address bar of Registry editor. And if you are using 32-bit Windows, copy and paste this path into the address bar of Registry editor. Inside the version 3 folder, delete the subkeys and values related to the problematic printer drivers. Before making changes in the registry, it is always a good idea to create a restore point. Now open the File Explorer, double-click on C, Windows, System 32, Spool, Drivers, W32X86. Inside that folder, find folder 3. You can delete it. This step removes old printer driver files that may be causing the 0x000003eb printer installation error. Now go back to the Print Spooler service and click Start. After that, try installing the printer again. In most cases, this should fix the problem. So that's how to fix printer error 0x000003eb in Windows. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and comment below which method worked for you. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.